I'm so excited to share an update with you on this 1954 pink wedding dress restoration. This gown was donated by a follower. She said that it was her mother-in-law's dress, and that up until recently she didn't even know it was pink. And the other unique thing about it is it has 2 layers. First, I do a full evaluation to see what kind of work will need to be done, and this lace was stiff. Meant it was really brittle. And there's a lot of staining. Also, clearly the lace is discolored throughout. One thing I'll note is that with this one, even though it has metal buttons, I won't be removing them because I won't be soaking this as long. After filling the tub with warm water, I put in a couple of scoops of a neutralizing laundry detergent and then stirred it up. We want to make sure that there's nothing sitting on the bottom. Then my favorite part. I love getting to see what it's like putting these dresses in the water for the first time after so long. It's almost like you can hear it just having a sigh of relief. This, though, was a surprise for me. The water, as you can see, very quickly started to change color, and it started to release a smell that was not there before. Things like this can happen for many reasons. Having smokers around the gown, pollution, and all sorts of varying factors that can cause this kind of yellowing. Once I was confident that I had gotten as much out as I could in this water, I drained it. Letting it soak in this would have been useless. When I was lightly squeezing out the water, I found something. And to my surprise, it was a little grain of rice from the original wedding day in 1954. I don't know why, but I love it when that happens. After rinsing the gown with cool water, I filled the tub again and used a stronger detergent. Now comes the hard part. Initially, the dress doesn't need as much hand washing, but when it gets to this stage, that's when it means business. After hand washing it for about 20 to 30 minutes, I got it all nice and settled, and now it sits for 2 hours with hand washing every 20 minutes. And then I'll take it out of the tub and rinse it out. After all of that work, I can still see there's some stains I'm gonna have to individually remove. But you can already see the improvement. And now I'm gonna let the sun try to do its work. Hopefully I can get it just a bit brighter. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.